Right here, dog. AFC North, this is what we live for. We gotta go out and dominate these boys, man. Hey, from start to finish.
We are getting set for the Bengals and Steelers on a cold day here in Pittsburgh.
I tell y'all every time, a play gonna be made. Just keep the cameras on. From the jump, you need this now. You need it.
Hey, y'all know where we at. AFC North ball on a beautiful Sunday, man. Bengals victory on the way. Y'all stay tuned.
The captain's about to march out toward the middle of the field. Two very appropriate choices, a Pittsburgher, Tyler Boyd, and a former Steeler, Mike Hilton.
All right, brother. Let's do it, man. Let's do it.
College tails. And it is heads. Pittsburgh, you won the toss. Has option to defer.
Here comes the kick. We are underway here in Pittsburgh. Burrow back to throw. Screen pass. Pirine with blockers in front. He's at the 20. Toward the sideline. 15. 10. 5. Touchdown! Bengals!
Pocket's good, fellas. Pocket's good. It's a good pocket.
Drew Chrisman into punt for the first time in his NFL career. Here comes the right-footed punt. It is launched by Chrisman, and Sims will catch. He drops it. It's rolling into the end zone. He scoops it up in the end zone. He's able to run it out, and he'll get tackled at the 5-yard line. Throws off his back foot, and it's incomplete. Trey Hendrickson in coverage.
Wow. Keep knocking them back down. Keep knocking them back.
Burrow back to pass, swings it out to the right. Pirine with the catch at the 10.
Nice.
Breaks a tackle. Tight ropes the sideline. Hits the pylon. Touchdown.
Nice.
Bengals.
That's great protection all day. 2 tutties. 2 tuds. Let's go.
Burrow rolls to the right. Throws into the end zone. It is caught for the touchdown. Trenton Irwin with his first NFL touchdown catch.
Go! Let's go! One play at a time. Let's go.
Catches the shotgun snap. Here comes Hendrickson, and they sack him.
Bring it out. That's how we do it.
Burrow back to throw. Flips it out to Pirine. Looking for his third. Touchdown catch. Runs over the pylon. Touchdown. Bengals.
Go! Get a big dog! Stay right there! Don't leave! Stay right there! Don't leave! Don't leave!
Big dub. I told you earlier, there's a big dub coming.